pilot boat assisting Island Adventure from Viewfinder on 1-4.
Island Adventure, pilot boat, go ahead, sir.
Actually, I want the pilot boat.
This is the pilot boat. Who's calling?
This is Viewfinder. We're the vessel in front of you. Can we observe at a close range for taking some video of what you do?
Sure. Better get it ready because it's going to be over in a minute.
Alright, there's a dude standing in the door. How fucking, that's crazy.
I can zoom in.
Hey, so at my funeral, can you play this tape on like a monitor maybe? Off in a little side room? The events preceding. But like most DUI crashes, I'm sure it'll just be my passengers that'll be killed, but I'll be unhurt. So I wasn't kidding.
What, no drug sniffing dog or anything? No, it's kind of... It takes my back there.
Dave, just keep him between the rails. Oh, that's beautiful.
Get a little closer to him.
That's good, I'm tight.
Like that?
Yep. Let's just roll ahead off to the left.